Hey guys, if you're a business owner, you're running your own show, you're running your own business, you want to create your own content for your social media marketing, you are on the right video because I'm going to show you on how to use the Go High Level that you can create social media posting without hiring someone. Because using the Go High Level AI, you can create content. So if you're ready, let's begin. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to schedule posting. I already created all the graphic design. Speaking of graphic design, these are the graphic design that I created. So I'm going to show it to you a little bit. This is the graphic design that I edited using Canva. So if you want to watch those video, how I'm able to edit this step by step, real time, you can watch the video. So these are the graphic design that I created. So for Frederick Lake Estate. So this is good for 6 days. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to alternate the posting. So let's do it. So the first thing is let's go to September 2. And then what I'm going to do is select the social media account. So if you didn't add yet your social media, simply click add account and select the social media that you're going to manage. So let's select Facebook and then let's upload the photo. So there's an icon like an image here and then click upload from the media library. From there, let's go to the upload file and then let's find the folder and here's the file. Control this one and click open. So this the 6 photos will be uploaded all at the same time. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start from here. Here you go. So I already have the graphics and I'm going to show you also on how to use the AI to create the content for me. So let's say, so this is Frederick Lake. So I'm going to um, thinking of i- investing in Nova Scotia, Frederick Lake. As they is here. I'm going to do is I'm going to show case the my foundation of Frederick Lake as it goes to downtown Richard, famous Bloomberg font, and let's go go highlight and click imagine your summer vacation in Nova Scotia, and if you want to visit, you can paste the same picture here. This is property manager. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is Frederick Lake, um, invest in Nova Scotia. And then what I want is to be excited, right? And then I want it to be small, and then I want to have three variations. So let's wait for to generate. And here we go. In less than 5 seconds, probably, we already have this design. Dreaming of a summer retreat and savvy investment, Frederick Lake Estate is your answer. Nestled near the downtown Bridgewater, Lunenburg Waterfront, Pegiscope, Oak Island, and South Shore Beaches. The double delight, enjoy personal getaway, and profit from a short-term rental with our expert property management. I like that one, but let's read and check other suggestion or variation. Dreaming of summer oasis in Nova Scotia. I love this one. Dreaming on owning a piece of Nova Scotia. And here in this India, I want this. Paste. Continue. And here you go. I'm going to contact us invest today. I will say download our brochure. CA and message us info at frederick.ca, and I'm going to get the phone number. I forget the phone number of Frederick Lake, but there is a phone number at the bottom here. All right, here you go. Here 92906. Here you go. And then that's it. Schedule postings. I want it on September 1, which is Sunday. I want it to be 10 a.m. Okay. And then, okay, schedule. So that's how easy to create social media postings. Easy peasy, right? So now if you want to view this, click view and you will see your graphics here. So this will be on Facebook. Dreaming of owning a piece of Nova Scotia, Frederick Lake Estate awaits, nestled in the near downtown Bridgewater, iconic Lunenburg waterfront and Peggy's Cove, Oak Island, South Shore beaches. Perfect for summer or summer short or as a short-term rental investment. Complete with expert in-house property management. Invest in Nova Scotia today. Download the brochure. If they click this one, it will redirect it to our website, and it says here, download our brochure. So and that's how easy to use the Go High Level to create your social media posting. So if you don't have a Go High Level account, click the affiliate link at the bottom of this video and use our 30 days free trial. That's it for today. Thank you very much and see you on the next video.